The University of the West Indies Vice-Chancellor is urging the authorities to rethink how they prepare for disasters. It came as universities across Jamaica officially launched a new task force aimed at driving a smarter, stronger recovery for Western Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa. Sandy Williams reports.
The people of Western Jamaica should never have to experience this again.
A stark warning from UWI Vice-Chancellor Professor Sir Hilary Beckers at the official launch of a new higher education task force at Mona campus Wednesday morning.
Hurricanes can come, but we need to put our communities in a position that when they see the trajectory and they see the possibility of its coming, there has to be a sense of resistance. What we saw in Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, there was no evidence of resistance.
The Higher Education Disaster and Economic Recovery Task Force is being built as an action-oriented body. Its mandate is to provide deep technical and scientific analysis to guide government policy and ensure the rebuilding after Melissa is not just better, but stronger and fundamentally different.
But our task force that we have assembled is indeed a task force that is going to provide for you the kind of technical analysis, the kind of action-oriented policy direction that is going to guide how the recovery works.
Professor Beckers says the devastation in Western Jamaica must not be viewed in isolation. He argues that the region, historically the heart of plantation Jamaica, needs urgent, transformative economic development.
We cannot fossilize that world. We cannot freeze it and restore it. Western Jamaica, as I have said, is the source of plantation Jamaica with all of the consequences of that. We need to bring Western Jamaica aggressively into the 21st century, and that will require that all of the resources that have been mobilized for this task, Minister, must be focused on Western Jamaica.
The message resonated with Minister of Water, Environment and Climate Change, Matthew Samuda, who praised the unified approach.
Because it has to be understood that we're not living in normal times. And it will require deep thought as we guide decision makers right across the public bureaucracy and certainly even policymakers.
He highlighted that Jamaica is now 4 years into a period defined by extreme weather, its hottest day on record, its wettest day on record, and major hurricanes including Category 5 Melissa, all following the COVID-19 pandemic. The task force brings together the combined brainpower of the island's tertiary institutions, designed to serve as a hub for scientific analysis, policy support, and civic engagement as Jamaica rebuilds. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.